Welcome back to part 2 of my little series of teen kids in toddler rooms, because I was too excited for the infant update that comes out on March 14th and the expansion pack going together on March 16th. Like, if you didn't see it, like, watch the trailer. What are you doing here? Go to the thumbs, okay? Go to their YouTube channel and watch that, because wow. The thing I'm most excited about is like birthmarks, and I don't even know why. Like, I don't have birthmarks. I don't know a person with a birthmark to like that, like bigger birthmarks. I guess I'm very stupid. I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm so excited about that. I am just like, whoo, birthmarks. They're so beautiful. Wow. Anyways, this time, like in part 1, I used for like the teenager room just the base game and high school years. For the toddler room, the toddler stuff pack and base game, and kids room, I used the kids stuff pack and base game, of course. Yeah, this time in every room I used, of course, the base game, high school years, parenthood gameplay pack, and of course the kid stuff and toddler stuff packs. Yeah. So I had way more to work with. Like, I had way more furniture, of course, like way more items. So this video is a little longer than the last one. Also, I used some I don't know if I used debug objects. I did a few times. Not really a lot, but I used the cheat like bb.show hidden objects and bb show live edit objects, but I don't think I used a lot of them. But like, the cheat was on, so I don't know. Probably I used a few things. Yeah, so apparently what I noticed just now is when you have like more packs and you like to build, you just build longer. What? Yeah, what? I mean, if you like to create a sim like in CAS, you have more packs, you probably also take a longer time, or you have a lot of CC, which I don't. I do not use CC because I'm too lazy to. If a CC breaks, that I like delete that or get a new kind, or like, yeah, I'm too lazy for that. Yeah, anyways, am I the only one who's like, oh, this wallpaper, I like this color, and now the whole room is like this color? I mean, I try to get out of my like, not really comfort zone, but like try to not just like the whole room is mint. So I put like some orange there because of the love seat, and little bit of yellow because the bed had a little bit of yellow, but I mostly used mint. But just one color, I mean, that kind of hurts your eye, doesn't it? Or does it not? Like, does it? Does it not? I don't know. Anyways, in the week where the infant update comes out, I don't know when exactly, like at what day exactly I want to stream, but I want to stream The Sims then, and want to build a house where this household that lives in this house has definitely at least one infant, probably more, because that means that you gotta check out my Twitch. It's in the description. It's AlienMimo on Twitch. Follow me, and yeah, when the infant updates come out, we gotta build the house and playtest it, of course. And probably we gonna cry together, because we know toddlers are a pain in the ass, so infants are worse, of course. They're even smaller and younger and need more attention. I mean, who needs attention, right? Me? I don't need attention. Now like this video and subscribe to me and follow me on Twitch and follow me on Twitter. Please. I definitely need attention. And I give you attention too. By thanking you. Thank you. Oh wow, and we already finished with I finished already the teenager room, and now we're in the kids room. This time, like, the rooms for the kids and toddlers is way bigger than I had in mind. So I just like put 2 beds in both of them. Like 2 kids live in this room and 2 toddlers in the toddler room. You know? Yeah. Oh, I love bunk beds. I don't know. I had a bunk bed when I was a kid, but like I was like, I'm not an only child, but my brother's like 12 years older than me, so they would, yeah, it's kind of, we had 2 different rooms. I mean, at the beginning, I believe we had 1 room. Anyways, I had a bunk bed even though I had my own room. That was kind of weird. Anyways, I tried to use way more colors in this room than in the last kids room, because in the last kids room I mostly used like blue, and here I'm just like, okay, a lot of red and orange, but also blue, green, like all colors of the rainbow. Also this room is so big, I'm just like, what should I put in this? So I used this. I don't even know what exactly this item is, because I usually do not use it. Like, I put it down already. I call it a Lego station, okay? They just build stuff on this, right? So I'm just like, we have a lot of space in here, so we put it here. Also, can we talk about how the high school posters with the kids stuff room pack, like, where also those posters, like general all posters in this game are beautiful, and I love them and love them. Also, I love the lights of this toddler pack. I use them in this kids room and in the toddler room. In love. Also, I do not have a lot of kids. I mean, I have a few. It's kind of sad that we have more. Do we have more kids than stuff packs right now? I believe we have. That's kind of sad, to be honest, because when do we get another stuff pack? Please, I need another one. I love them. I pay. Get right. I'm sorry. I pay. I prefer to pay like $10 than prefer to pay $5 for less content. But please. Anyways, I really want the clutter pack and the bathroom clutter pack. I both, like, I don't have them. I have both of them now. I don't know why. I should buy it, but money. Yes. Money. Why does, I mean, seriously, I believe my PC costs less than the whole Sims 4. I mean, now the gameplay is free, like the base game. I'm sorry, the base game is free, right? I mean, I bought the base game, but I got a kid, right? Yeah, that was definitely worth it. Anyways, I guess I should stop complain, because I still love it. Okay, you can love something and still complain about it, I guess. I do not have something to say anymore, except that you should follow me on Twitch. I mostly play Disney Dreamlight Valley, but Sim streams are definitely common. And if I want to say something of how I build it, or anyway, I will say it. But just enjoy the rest of the video. I will maybe scare you when I talk, like, out of nowhere, but enjoy. And I hope I didn't scare ya. Also, drink some water. Okay, I have something to say, and yeah, I guess I do apologize if you do not like to hear me. Just kidding. I guess if you watch this video, you like to hear me. If not, then you already muted me. Like you muted the video. Why would you do that? Animal Crossing music is in the background. Anyways, what I want to say, I never used this wallpaper, but I wanted to use it because it's cute. But I struggle a little bit with the colors for this room then, because I really like this toddler bed that I use, like both toddler beds are the same one. You see which one I choose now. Exactly this one. I kind of struggled with the colors then in this room, but hey, kids, I mean, besides Scarf Baby, they like colors. I mean, you should definitely show colors to your kids, I guess. You should not like, oh my gosh, it's a girl, you get pink in there. Like, give a little bit blue and green to that girl or whatever, you know? Because they're kids. Colors do not have gender, okay? But I really struggled that this room matches with the colors. And also, I realized how big this room is for a toddler. I mean, the last toddler room was already big for one toddler, but this one is like big for two. Like, still, two toddlers, it's still very big. Also, this rock I used there, I will not keep the swatch. I just want to use the swatch because I didn't use that swatch yet, but it doesn't match at all with the room. So, yeah. And now I don't have something to say anymore. I hope. Not I hope, but like, yeah. So just enjoy. Now drink really water. If you still didn't drink water, now do this. And if you hit it, if you did it, I'm proud of you. And if you do it now, I'm even more proud of you. Is that okay? Drink some water. And subscribe and like this video. Drink some water. Now. Bye. Have a lovely day.